This is a W990. This is a brand new truck. It's from a local company. This is a wrecker, but it got on fire like a year ago. So the guy is going to a total rehab. We already installed a new bumper. We are just waiting on the lights. As far as the exterior, we're gonna be adding 5 cap lights on top too as well. Some lights on the filters and some underglow lights. Everything is gonna be changing from green to amber. That's what we're gonna be doing pretty much on the exterior. So pretty much the fire caused damage on the back wall and then on the top. All the plastics on the back, they're brand new. We got them from the dealership. As far as the floor, we're gonna be keeping the floor. They always like on dirty places, pretty much all over the place, you know. That's what they use them for. As far as the dash, we're gonna be repainting out the interior plastics on black, and then we're gonna be putting the details on green, like their company logo. Audio system, we're gonna be doing something super simple. It's a day cap, so we're just gonna be doing the highs. I believe that we're gonna be doing 4 speakers, 2 tweeters, and then 2 tents on a custom console that is gonna be going right on the middle. The seats, they caught on fire too. So we're gonna be throwing in brand new Boston seats, but we're just not gonna leave them simple. We're gonna get them custom too, custom stitching. Everything in the inside is gonna be going custom. This customer wants everything top quality, so that's what we're going for. We're gonna be doing everything top quality, as far as the material, as far as the stitching, as far as the audio. Everything is gonna end up looking pretty good. The only thing that I'm not happy about, we're not gonna be doing a custom floor. It is what it is, either way. But I mean, everything else is gonna look insane. Okay, so we just finished this project. Really happy how it came out. How you guys can see, looks super simple. That's my opinion. Just black on the leather, green stitching, green details. We end up doing a little console between the seats. It's gonna have a little bit of storage. Also, we put 2 tents in that console. First, we did it on black, but then we decided we had to go with green. It's gonna be smaller than what we started with. As far as the console, it looks even better. Now we have more space. The seats, these are brand new Boston seats. What we did, we bought them on leather, redid them. We put his company logo, his phone number, that's what he wanted. Green details. As far as the floor, these are the floors that we are doing the most right now. This is something that you can put on your truck. You don't have to be cleaning all the time. Looks good, and it doesn't get scratched like epoxy does. I'm not saying that epoxy is bad, I'm just saying that this is for working trucks, not show trucks. I mean, I hope that you guys like it. If you guys need something like this down the line, just give us a call, 786-525-1983.